Dance, beautiful people. My beautiful people, I have a special surprise for y'all. Special surprise. I'm going to transform this. Go in, mommy, go close. We're gonna transform this, okay? You're gonna see what I'm gonna do with this.
Mommy,
stop it. I know what I'm gonna do. Don't worry.
Oh.
Step 2, show them your hair. Turn around. Turn around. Show them again. Step 2. See you.
Step 2.
Right, everybody, are y'all ready to see now? Mommy, wait. Come on. Getting closer. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Ready? You're gonna get ready. Make that to one teacher. Ready? We're gonna have the next step will be the hair, okay? Go down. Alright. Okay. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the big reveal. Y'all ready to see the final result? Y'all. Go up closer. Go close. Yay! Show the people. Yes! Get closer. Yay! Go, we do a little shadow. Turn around. Let me show them how long it is. Yay! Ferme tua machine. Yes! Yay, mommy! She got it from her mom. Go back. Yes! Yay! Go closer. Go closer to the camera. Yes. Go show. Look at the blue. Yes. And this is my beautiful mom. I did the job. Thank you, Mom, for letting me do your hair for you. How do you like it?
I like it.
You like it?
Nice. Thank you, baby.
All right, guys. See you in the next video where we're going to be all with our makeup. All right. Hope you enjoyed it.